Hello my angels, my dears, I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Now as you all know, the holidays are coming up, the Christmas holiday, and I know a lot of you looking for recipes to use to prepare for your family as they gather for the holidays. The next few videos for my channel will be videos of sides, of entrees, desserts for the holidays. I hope these videos will help you prepare for your holiday celebration. Go through them, choose the ones that you like or you think your family will like. I'm sure you'll be able to find some dishes, some sides, some entrees that you'll be able to use for your holiday meal. All right? Well, enjoy your holiday, everyone. I love you. Please be a blessing to people and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Thank you so much for watching my entire series of holiday dishes. I truly hope you enjoyed watching each and every one of these recipes. More than that, I hope they were helpful in your holiday preparation. Be sure to give me a like, comment down below, and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing today? Please be the blessing to someone, and as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.